Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 6 of algebraic identities, factorization, isn't it? Now coming to the 17th question, it is 16x squared plus 9y squared plus 4z squared plus 2xy plus 12yz plus 12zx. When it is of this type, then you think about the fourth identity. It is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now you check whether it fits into that identity or not. So first of all, we have to write everything, these three in the squares, isn't it? So पहले इनको स्क्वायर में लिखेंगे तो देखने का है a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर वैसा है या नहीं. 16 can be written as 4 square, so x the whole square, plus 9 can be written as 3 square, so 3y the whole square, plus 4 can be written as 2 square, that is 2z the whole square. Now, if you take a is equal to 4x, okay, a is equal to 4x, b is equal to 3y and c is equal to 2z. Check. It is whether 2ab, it will be 24xy. 2 into a is 4x into b is 3y. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, xy. Yes. Now 2bc, 2 into b is 3y, c is 2z. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, y, z. Yes. Now 2ca, 2 into c is 2z, a is 4x. Check. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, zx. So it fits into the fourth identity. So which is the fourth identity? It is we'll write in this form, that is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. So we are writing in the reverse order, isn't it? So a plus a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. So we'll see. It is a is 4x plus b is 3y and c is 2z. So all are plus. So it will be the whole square. That means answer is 4x plus 3y plus 2z. One time. Again repeat the same. Is it clear? Okay. Now coming to the 18th sum. When it was positive, there was no issue, isn't it? It was easy. Now here, some terms they are negative, so you have to think a little bit. So now, this is x the whole square plus this is 2y the whole square plus this is 3z the whole square. Plus, now minus is there. First check negative. Which are the terms? Minus 4xy and minus 6zx. Now check which alphabet is repeated in both x, x. So that means x will be negative. Now put, it is minus x the whole square. Okay. Now if you take, it is a is equal to minus x, b is equal to 2y and c is equal to 3z. We'll check. It is plus bracket open 2ab. 2 into a is minus x, b is 2y. Check whether it is minus 4xy. 1 negative means minus, 2 2s are 4xy. When you multiply the integers, when there is only one negative, the answer will be negative. Product will be negative. If it is in the even number of negative, then it will be positive. Now next, it is 2 into BC. B is 2y and C is 3z. Check plus. This is plus, here also plus. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12yz. Yes. Now coming to the third one, it is 2 into CA, 2CA. C is 3z and A is minus x. So 1 negative, so here negative, 2 3s are 6, zx. Yes. Now it is correct. Now which is the identity? A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to A plus B plus C the whole square. Now, right, this is negative. So, square of a negative, it becomes positive. Always remember, negative, negative, when you multiply, it becomes positive. That is why the answer here it is x squared. But minus x the whole square becomes x squared. So now A is what? Minus x, B is plus 2y, C is plus 3z the whole square. So write 2 times minus x plus 2y plus 3z, again minus x plus 2y plus 3z. Is it clear? Now coming to the next 19th sum. It is 4a squared. Okay, first negative terms we'll see. Here also negative, here also negative. Common is b. So b will have minus. Okay. So first only you check, you can write. So this will be 2a the whole square. Now minus 4ab minus 10bc, जो नेगेटिव है उसमें कॉमन अल्फाबेट को देखो, दैट टर्म विल हैव नेगेटिव. सो b दोनों में कॉमन है, सो इसके लिए माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर प्लस 25 5 स्क्वायर 5c द होल स्क्वायर प्लस नाउ 2 इंटू ए बी. ओके, पहले लिखेंगे a is equal to 2a, b is equal to minus b, c is equal to 5c. 2 into 2a into minus b. 2 2s are 4, 4ab, but it is 1 negative, so it will be negative, plus 2bc. 2 into b is minus b, c is 5c, so 1 negative, so minus 2 5s are 10 bc. Now it is 2ca. 2 into c is 5c and a is 2a. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, ca. तो अभी ये फोर्थ आइडेंटिटी के हिसाब से है. सो इट इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस 2bc प्लस 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay. Now a is what? 2a, b is minus b, c is plus 5c, the whole square. 2a minus b plus 5c, 2a minus b plus 5c. This is the final answer. Is it clear? Hope you are getting the confidence. Now coming to the last sum, 20th sum. Little bit confusing because it is a fraction, isn't it? Okay. All are positive, so signs, there is no difficulty in that. It is a the whole square plus b square. Numerator is b, denominator 4. So 2 the whole square. b by 2 the whole square plus c square, that is why c, 9, that is why 3 the whole square. Now you will write a is equal to a, b is equal to b by 2, c is equal to c by 3. Okay. Now 2ab, 2 into a into b, b by 2. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled, it was only ab, that is why ab, plus 2bc, 2 into b is b by 2, c is c by 3. Now 2 and 2 get cancelled, bc upon 3, correct. Now 2ca, 2 into c, c by 3, a, that is cancellation is not there, 2 by 3 ca. So it is of the fourth identity. So you will write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. Now a, b, b by 2, c, c by 3 the whole square. Now write 2 times a plus b by 2 plus c by 3, 1 time a plus b by 2 plus c by 3. Understood? So we have completed the worksheet 6, all 20 sums, factorization related to first identity, that is a plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Second identity, a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Third identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Fourth identity, a plus b plus c the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this sixth worksheet was related to first four identities. Hope all students are confident with this worksheet. Practice is necessary, so you have to solve each sum minimum 2 times. Bye. Thank you. All the best.